Hi guys, welcome to Jez's Drones. Today I'd like to talk to you about the new Mavic 2 and whether or not, like me, you have the Mavic Pro, whether or not it's worth upgrading it. Like the rest of the world, as soon as I heard DJI were bringing out a new drone, I got very excited and couldn't wait for the release date. When that release date finally came, to be honest, I was disappointed. The camera on the new drone has got to be the bee's knees, which it is, even though it won't do some of the things the camera on the Mavic Pro will do, i.e. it won't go to portrait. Then I started looking through the specs, watching the reviews on YouTube, reading the reviews on the internet, and to be honest, there isn't really that much difference in the aircraft. The aircraft itself weighs, the new one weighs about 200 grams more than the old one, but that's mainly, I expect, due to the bigger battery. That bigger battery gives you extra flight time, which they say is now up to 31 minutes in perfect conditions. The Mavic Pro was 27 minutes, so really 4 minutes in perfect conditions isn't that much. And who of us flies in perfect conditions all the time? The range goes from something stupid like the Mavic Pro was 8 kilometers and it goes up to 13 kilometers. Yet again, who's going to fly a drone up 13 kilometers away? Remembering all our flying should be line of sight. So is it worth just for that extra range? Also, the top speed in sports mode is greater. It's running from 65k for the Mavic Pro up to 72 kilometers an hour for the Mavic 2. Yet again, it's only another 7k. Is it really worth it? So then I decided to get really panicky and really go through the specs. And to be honest, they're so much the same, it's not worth mentioning. The only big difference, as I've already mentioned, is the camera. If you're a professional drone driver, flyer, pilot, then it may be worth it. If you're just setting out and you want to buy a new super duper drone and you've got £1,100 sterling sitting there, then great, go and buy one, you won't be disappointed. But if you, like me, you've already got a really good drone, the Mavic Pro, is it worth trading that one in, selling it on? It's a very short video, because really I wish I had a lot more to say about it, but the two are so much the same, it isn't worth it. Another little point, if you guys are thinking of getting a really good upmarket drone, then yet again the Mavic Pro, the original, is a good way to go. Not only are they slightly cheaper now, you can also buy good second-hand stuff. Something like that could be picked up for £500 to £600 second hand, and you'd probably have a load of extras thrown in as well within the deal. So it's worth shopping around. If you've got any questions, any statements, don't forget to leave a comment below. If you like what I'm saying, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll leave you now, so just keep flying, keep safe, and stay well. Bye.